People don't understand that a lot of the forces that we see on the ground are the same in space. Those actually don't change. But what does change is the impact of gravity. So with less gravity, then we start seeing small forces that we're not accustomed to dominating the fluid process. So we see giant spheres of liquid, we see giant bubbles, we see liquid going to places where they're not used to seeing. They see this absence of an up or down kind of thing, floating or sinking. Those things all go away, and so that catches us by surprise. And so there's really a lot to learn to make systems work in space.
Of course, the principle of gyroscopic stability has been around a long time. We use it for navigation. Our satellites use it when they come out of the cargo bay. But of course, without gravity and just being able to float it free here, you can study the behavior of the gyroscope and watch the way it moves around in a way that we never get a chance to do in laboratories on the Earth.
This is Columbus, the European module. It has science experiments all over. You could see it looks a little bit crowded.
I can't have a favorite kid and I can't have a favorite experiment that I conducted. One of the things that I particularly thought was useful was we did combustion in space, like make little space fires, in a very controlled environment because fire is dangerous in space. But by taking gravity out of the equation, we understood how fire works to have better car engines on Earth, better, more efficient rocket engines, and we can help have better fuel economy across the board, slow down our reliance on fossil fuels just by understanding how things burn in space.
Neurolab was a wonderful flight. It was a focused, dedicated life science research flight, all on neuroscience, how the brain and nervous system are affected in weightlessness. And even though by that point we'd been flying to space for many, many years, very little was understood on the detail, sometimes at the cellular level, changes that happen to living organisms. So this was a very focused mission on that, with some of the top life scientists in the world involved with it. You have some very, very specialized science astronauts that flew. Like I had 2 medical doctors, a veterinarian, and a PhD physiologist. At the end of the day, it's not so much about space. It's about what we can bring back to planet Earth and what we can do to benefit humanity